Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on invert radial flow in reaction turbine. In this video we are going to find out what is the speed of the turbine, then the vane angle at the outlet as well as hydraulic efficiency with the help of velocity diagram. So first I will read what is the given problem. The external and internal diameters of an inward flow reaction turbines are 1.20 meter and 0.6 meter respectively. The head on turbine is 22 meter and velocity of flow through the runner is constant and equal to 2.5 meter per second. The guide blade angle is given as 10 degree and the runner vanes are radial at inlet. If the discharge at outlet is radial, determine first speed of the turbine, second vane angle at the outlet of runner, and third hydraulic efficiency. So this was the given question. Let us first understand what is the given data. If we observe here, diameter at outlet is given. So outlet is here, this is at the point B is at the outlet, that is D2 is equal to 0.60 meter, and the diameter at inlet, so point A is at the inlet, that is D1 is 1.2 meter. Then the head is also given, capital H is equal to 22 meter. Then the velocity of flow remains constant, means what? That is the velocity of flow at inlet is equal to velocity of flow at outlet. So Vf1 is equal to Vf2 is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Then the guide blade angle. So guide blade angle is known as the angle alpha, and which is equal to 10 degree. Then the next is given that the runner vanes radial at inlet. So vanes are radial at inlet. So means what? Here the angle theta is equal to 90 degree. So what happens when theta is equal to 90 degree? So we can say that at inlet U1 is equal to VW1. Then discharge is radial. So when the discharge is radial, then that time VW2 is equal to 0 and angle beta is equal to 90 degree. So how to decide the velocity diagram as per this given condition? Because we have to refer the condition at inlet when theta is equal to 90 degree and outlet, that is discharge is radial, this is the condition that is given. So how to draw the velocity diagram? So for that I have uploaded the previous video, that is the velocity diagram as per the different conditions. So please refer that video, the link is given in the description box. Now I will draw first when theta is equal to 90 degree velocity diagram at inlet. So here we have to show U1 is equal to VW1. So what is U1? That is the tangential velocity. So here tangential velocity at inlet, so here this is the point A and this is in the form of dash. I have drawn the tangent to this point A. So first I will draw here one line parallel to this tangent. Then angle alpha is given. So angle alpha is 10 degree. So how to show? So this tangent, when the absolute velocity is making an angle equal to alpha with this tangent line. So I will show here, we have to draw this 10 degree, that is angle alpha 10 degree, and here this is the V1, that is absolute velocity. Now runner vanes are radial at inlet, that means theta is equal to 90 degree. So we have to show angle theta is equal to 90 degree. So I will draw here. So we have to show the angle with this tangent. So here theta is equal to 90 degree. So what is happening when theta is equal to 90 degree? So along this vertical line there is the velocity of flow, that is Vf1, and this is the line is also equal to relative velocity at inlet, that is Vr1. So when theta is equal to 90 degree, Vf1 is equal to Vr1, and here we have to show that U1 is equal to VW1. Now we will move for the outlet tip. So what is the condition is given? That is the discharge is radial. So what is happening here? That is the angle beta 90 degree, and we have to show VW to 0. So again we will draw here one tangent line. So this is the tangent line at this outlet tip B, and I will draw here one line parallel to this tangent. Now I have to show here one angle, that is the angle with this tangent line making by the relative velocity at the outlet tip. So angle will be phi. So I will show here now this phi, that is this angle is unknown. So I will show here this is the relative velocity at the outlet, that means we have to show VR2, and this is the tangent line. So angle in between these two lines is the angle phi, and this is unknown, and that we have to find out. Now when the discharge is radial, then angle beta is equal to 90 degree. So how to show? So from this outlet tip we have to draw one vertical line. So here is the angle 90 degree, that is beta is equal to 90 degree. Now here VW2 is equal to 0, that means this length, this total length, that is equal to U2. So here I will show this is U2. And what about this vertical line? So this is equal to Vf2, which is equal to V2, that is the velocity of flow is equal to absolute velocity at the outlet. So this is the velocity diagram as per the given condition. Now we will move for the calculations. If we observe here from the diagram, what is the value of tan of alpha? So tan alpha is equal to Vf1 by U1. So alpha is known, Vf1 is also known. So Vf1 is equal to Vf2 is equal to 2.5. So if we put the value, then we can get the value of U1. So U1 is equal to Vf1 by tan alpha, and alpha is equal to 10. So U1 14.178 meter per second. But if we observe this diagram, U1 is equal to VW1. So what is the value of VW1? That is also equal to 14.178 meter per second. Now we will find out what is the speed of turbine N. So speed of turbine N, that is the value in RPM. So what is the formula here? So if we take U1 is equal to pi d1 N by 60. So d1 is the diameter. So here diameter at inlet d1 1.2 meter, that is given. Then U1 that we have calculated, and then if we put the value, then only one unknown term, that is N. So N is equal to 225.65 revolution per minute. Then what is the second question? That is the vane angle at the outlet of runner. So if we observe, this is the vane angle at the outlet of runner phi, that we have to find out. So if we observe what is the value of tan phi, so tan phi is equal to Vf2 divided by U2. So now this U2 is unknown. So how we can find out this? So we know the formula, U2 is equal to pi d2 N by 60. So d2 is given here, N is that we have calculated in previous question. So when we put value, we will get U2 is equal to 7.09 meter per second. And then what is the value of tan phi? Tan phi is equal to Vf2. So Vf2 is also known, that is 2.5 divided by U2. So we get the value of phi. So phi is equal to 19.42 degree. So this is the answer. Now next question is the hydraulic efficiency. So hydraulic efficiency formula is Vw1 into U1 by GH. So Vw1 into U1, that means we have to take 14.178 into 14.178 divided by G, 9.81 into H. So H is also given, that is head is equal to 22. So when we put the value, we will get the answer 0.9314. So efficiency we have to always write in percentage. So we will multiply here with 100, that is equal to 93.14%.